Right, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to keep your Cardiff Connected profile up to date by adding all the extracurricular activities you were involved in during your time at the university. Firstly, just go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Once you're on your profile, click Edit Profile. This should open up the main edit page where you can edit all your information. Once you're on that page, scroll all the way to the bottom and you will find a section called Other Information. At the end of that section, there should be a question, what area of your experience at Cardiff has contributed to your success? This is the part where you can put in all the relevant information about your societies, activities, or any leadership roles that you were involved in. I will go ahead and paste some samples. And once you're done with that, click Save. And there you go, you're all done. And this is basically a very simple way that you can display stuff like societies, activities, maybe leadership roles, which will help you connect with alumni with similar experiences and give prospective employers a better sense of how you spent your time as a student outside of your course.